Jira Service Management versus ServiceNow, which is the best help desk software. If you're trying to decide between Jira Service Management and ServiceNow for your business, you're in the right place. Both are highly regarded in the IT service management world, but which one truly stands out? In this video, we'll break down the key differences, and by the end, you might be surprised at what you'll find. Let's start with pricing. When comparing Jira Service Management and ServiceNow, Jira offers a more flexible pricing model with options that scale according to your team size. The pricing is straightforward, and there's a free plan for small teams or startups, which is great for businesses just getting started. On the other hand, ServiceNow's pricing is typically tailored to enterprise-level companies, with more complex pricing structures and fewer options for smaller organizations. So, if budget is a concern for your team, Jira might be the more cost-effective option for you. Next thing, ease of use. Jira Service Management is built on top of Jira's existing platform, which means it integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian products like Jira Software and Confluence. For teams already using Atlassian, this makes the transition smooth and intuitive. However, if you're not already in the Atlassian ecosystem, the learning curve can be a bit steep. ServiceNow, while incredibly powerful, is known for having a more complex interface that requires significant onboarding and training. It's more suited for larger organizations that need a fully customizable IT service management solution. So, ease of use really depends on the scale and structure of your team. The next thing to consider is automation. Both platforms offer automation features, but they differ in their approach. Jira Service Management has strong automation rules that help automate workflows, approvals, and incident management, which is perfect for teams that want to streamline day-to-day tasks. However, its automation is somewhat limited in comparison to ServiceNow's more advanced automation capabilities, which can handle larger, more complex environments. ServiceNow's platform includes AI-driven features, predictive analytics, and deeper workflow automation, which makes it an ideal solution for large enterprises looking for deep integration and customization. If automation is a high priority for your team, ServiceNow may have the edge, though Jira provides solid options as well. The fourth thing we need to talk about is scalability. Jira Service Management is great for small to medium-sized teams, but as your business grows, you might start to feel the limitations of the platform. ServiceNow, however, is designed for large enterprises and scales exceptionally well, handling everything from HR management to complex IT operations. If you're anticipating rapid growth or need a solution that can scale across multiple departments, ServiceNow is a more future-proof option. Another important factor is integrations. Both Jira and ServiceNow offer a wide range of integrations, but Jira Service Management integrates particularly well with other Atlassian products. If your team already uses products like Trello, Confluence, or Bitbucket, Jira Service Management becomes a no-brainer. ServiceNow, on the other hand, offers more out-of-the-box integrations with a variety of enterprise systems, such as ERP and CRM solutions. This makes ServiceNow a more versatile tool in environments where you need to connect multiple business processes and systems. Now, here's the part that could change your mind. While both Jira Service Management and ServiceNow are solid solutions, if you're looking for something that strikes the perfect balance between affordability, ease of use, automation, and scalability, you might want to consider an alternative. After trying both of these platforms myself, I found that Mention Alternative Software offers the best features for small to medium-sized teams without sacrificing on performance or flexibility. These tools are all good options, but if you want a better solution that fits your needs and provides a better free trial experience, be sure to check the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out.